Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how I do a very quick, fun summer makeup look. I usually find this makeup tutorials really fun to watch, which is exactly what I'm trying to do just now. I'm filming in the garden while I'm travelling, so if you hear noises, cars, animals, pets, toys, anything, I apologise. So it's very hot here. I think it's 33 with no wind today. I hope he's not going to knock down the camera. It's very hot here, and yes, I am wearing my hair down just for the purpose of this video. It's really hot, and I did use sunscreen for hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please head to lipstick.cafe and read the article about sunscreen for hair. It's very important to do that. So I've already done my skincare and I applied lots of sunscreen on, so I'm ready to just start my makeup, and I'm just going to do something light and fun. You can definitely skip the foundation part if you don't want coverage when it's so hot. But this one, the Bourjois Healthy Week Serum Foundation, has very light coverage if you don't apply a lot as well, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also using a very wet sponge, which is going to take away some of the coverage as well. And I don't like this sponge too much. This one is too hard, even after I wet it. It's just not bouncy enough, and to be honest, it feels quite odd to do makeup with it because I feel like I'm punching my face. So I will apply my foundation. I'm just using one tiny pump, just that's all I'm doing, and my dog is just running around. Just gonna do my foundation, and I'm gonna focus on just the middle of my face and my forehead. I think that's fine. I'm just gonna use some concealer now. And I'm going to put the concealer on my eyelids as well, just to sort of give it a bit of a primer. This sponge is horrible. I don't recommend it at all. It's so chunky. If you're not happy with the coverage, just keep adding a tiny bit of concealer, just step by step. Don't add a ton at first, you know. Just add tiny bits, one at a time. I'll add some more in the areas that I feel like I want a bit more coverage, which is the inner eyes and a bit on my nose and where I have a mosquito bite. To be honest, it's so difficult to use that sponge, which is absolutely huge. I'm just going to use my finger. If you don't want to bother with contouring during summer, just skip this step and go to blush step. I'm going to use a bit of contour, and this is the Bourjois Quickie Contour Stick. It's just a wee tiny bit and it's actually quite finished, so I'll see what I managed to do. I honestly contour during summer just to give myself that sort of bronzy look. And now I'm going to use the same sponge to try and blend it out. It's just lifted all my foundation and my concealer. This sponge is horrible. Right, so this looks so bad blended with the sponge that I actually have to add a bit more foundation. That's how I'm going to correct this. And I'm going to add a bit more everywhere where I kind of blend with the sponge, trying to fix the mistake. Hi there, so I had some technical issues and I had to stop. I'm not sure when the camera stopped filming, but what I did is basically I put a little blush on, and I'll do it again for the purpose of this tutorial. I used lots. I'm just going to dab. Just to add a tiny bit more. The thing with this Alaska cream blush is that don't be afraid to apply a lot because it sort of disappears throughout the day. I absolutely love rosy cheeks like this with these during summer, and what I did is I applied a bit of cream blush on my eyelids as well, and I'll do it a bit again just to show you. I love this trick during summer. Now this will crease in your eyelids, of course it will, because it's just cream. No matter what cream product you use in your eyes, it will crease. But I don't really mind. I just love this rosy, coloured, glossy sort of look. And to be honest, in summer, I'm not just about matte looks. I actually love glitters and shimmers and shiny looks. So if you really added some more in my eyes, and I think it looks gorgeous. You can even go and add more on your cheeks, more blush, and just spread it towards your temples as well. It's just going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous look. I feel like summer is the time when you can sort of experiment with colours and have some fun and do some crazy looks as well, especially if you're going to festivals. I'm really happy with how it looks so far. It's very rosy, fresh and gorgeous. And because I'm a glass wearer and my eyes do look smaller with the glasses, I will add some eyeshadow, and this is a dual palette and I absolutely love it. I will add a very tiny bit of shadow in the corner, just a very tiny bit. For some definition, I do have hooded eyes as well, so I can help with that as well. Very gently add in, and I did not expect to be that intense because I had cream under. Look how intense this looks. I'm really happy with how this looks, and I think I'll even add some more rosy colour in my eyes, just in my fingers like that, just a tiny bit. Next thing I absolutely love in summer is gorgeous highlighter, and this is the Roaccutane in and I like to use this very generously during the summer, and I try to use the weird fluffy spicer things. A brush tends to sort of spread it everywhere, so I gently add this. It's a very intense highlight, so if you're not into that, then you've been warned. And I will add it on my chest as well, because I feel like this is one of the most fun things during the summer. You can add body glimmer, body paint, and body colours. But now we'll blend it with this sponge. Last thing I have to do is add mascara, and this is my absolute favourite mascara primer and mascara. And I feel like this doesn't smudge during summer, so that is fantastic. This some creasing in your eyes. And I'm not using an eyeliner. I'm just gonna trust my mascara is gonna give me some wet lashes. I feel like that's so pretty in the summer as well, not using an eyeliner. I know some people think maybe this is a bit too much for summer, but I absolutely love it. And I haven't used that many products, like maybe 5-6 products including these correct primers, so it's not a lot. Barely used any tools as you've seen. I use the highlighter for my highlight, for my inner eye highlight. I use lip gloss on my lips, my eyes. I just think it's such a beautiful, beautiful look, just pinky rose, sort of shiny look. I feel like at the end of doing your makeup, you should always stop for a bit, 30 seconds, get the mirror and look from a distance and sort of see if everything's blended out, if your face matches your neck and your chest. If you have the clean blush, which is quite pinkish, you can use this on your eyelids, on your cheeks and on your lips. And that's going to be an absolutely gorgeous makeup look for the summer. And I mean, if you have a bit of concealer on hand, a bit of mascara and this pink blusher, then I feel like you already have enough, excuse the dog, you already have enough to sort of have a cute, sweet makeup look. Mai trebuie numai să fac outro-ul, da? Aștept să termine de lătrat cățelul, dar nu termină. So this was all for this video. I really do apologize for all the background noises. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. It was just something fun and relaxing to do, and I did have access to this super cool camera today, so I had to film with it. I hope you really enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorials and videos. Please check out some other stuff. Please go check lipstick.cafe for fun articles and things about makeup reviews, ingredients analysis and all that sort of things. Please support me on Patreon if you want to support my work and encourage me to keep going with the articles and videos. Please leave comments down below, share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.